his classic and global vision. Dave sources imported textiles with a strong focus on pleats, ruffles, fringing, and
Inspiration.
Dev.
Thank you very much. I'm very happy to be part of this event, and it's a very noble cause that to support the cancer kids who don't even know like they're suffering from this disease. So I'm very happy, and I would like to thank Dave for making me part of this event, and all beautiful people here. So thank you very much.
Would you like to share a few words? We love your collection. Tell me something. Tell us something about your collection.
So it's inspired by French design. It's all lace ruffles, and yeah,
Thank you, Dev. Even though he said I don't want to come on stage, I still got him here. Thank you for being a part of it. Thank you, Sonali.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
This cause, I mean, it's immensely important for the cancer patients. So how do you explain how do you
Actually, first of all, I'm very happy to be part of this event. It's called the Applause for a Cause, and I'm very happy that I'm part of this cause, something like this, where I have to support these young kids, and these kids, they are like 4 and 5. They don't even know what are they suffering from. So I feel it's a noble cause, and it's a great support by these stylists who have come forward and who has given their support. And I'm very happy they've chosen me to be part of this collection and part of this show.
What do you wear and how are you feeling?
Actually, I'm wearing Dev's outfit. Devansh, Devansh, what's your full name?
Dave Sood.
Can you explain
Dave
what
Sood.
she's-
Devanshu Sood is
What is the
Devanshu
outfit?
Sood is my name. Dave Sood is my
On stage also I was like Dev or Devansh.
She always calls me Devanshu.
Okay.
Can you explain
The
this
outfit.
particular outfit?
Actually, yeah, better if you explain.
So it's ruffles. You can see ruffles. It's inspired by French culture, and it's so French. You can see. Yeah, Sonali
Yeah.
looks so pretty in this.
Thank you very much for giving me this outfit, and I'm taking this home.
Okay.
How are you feeling in this particular outfit?
Actually, I feel great. I feel like princess. This whole princess cut, and I just Rapunzel, and I just love the color. It's very pretty, and I don't know. I got too many compliments that I'm looking pretty.
Now, please tell us about your upcoming projects.
Yeah, I'm part of Great Grand Masti. So today only we have completed the shoot, and I'm doing this movie called Paranormal, which is Sanjay Sharma's film, who is brother of Anil Sharma, and I'm doing a Punjabi movie as well. Thank you.
Very nice. Come on, very nice. Go, Diana. Woohoo!
भाई लाइट देना, लाइट देना, स्पॉट लाइट।
models. Thank you very much. You guys look very, very beautiful. Thank you. Yes, requesting Sonal Malishkar, the designers, to please be on stage. We would like to hear a few words as tradition follows. Sonal, first goes with you.
Hello everybody. Well, all I can say is that I'm really overwhelmed that I'm here, and I would really like to say a big thank you to Sujata and Sanjay for making me a part of this great cause. And thank you all for coming and showing this support. Thank you very much. Yo, we've got an angel here.
Ladies and gentlemen, first let's applaud for the cause. That's what it's called. And yes, I'd like to say the same thing that Sonal said. Thank you very much, Sujata and Sanjay. I've worn their stuff before, and I see they've got really warm hearts as well. As you know, I've always worked for causes like this through the media and through the medium I work for. And today it was an honor and a pleasure to come and do this for them. Uske upar se you get to look like an apsara. What more could go on? True? Thank you so much for being here. Thank you.
Can we have some music? वो करेंगे आएंगे सर चलिए थोड़ा म्यूजिक बजा दीजिए Let's make it lively. Okay, I think the kid's not agreeing to walk. कोई बात नहीं. अच्छा, बात है. कुछ तो बात है. Thank you, Malishka and Sonal. Thank you for walking. Quickly about your designs. It looked beautiful.
Well, as Apsarasa, the name signifies enchanting beauty. So this is what we have tried to create in our collection. Every woman wants to look beautiful, and with the fluid drapes and the intricate embroideries, we have tried to bring that look with each and every garment. So this is for every woman. Thank you.
Thank you very, very much. It was a pleasure having you all here. Thank you. How sweet is that? Thank you very much. Thank you guys for being so supportive.
थैंक यू वेरी मच. पहले तो जैसे मैंने कहा इतनी इज़्ज़त अफजाई के लिए, और आप हमेशा मेरी आवाज़ सुनते हैं, लेकिन आज सुजाता और संजय के कपड़ों में मैं सच्ची एक अप्सरा जैसे फील कर रही हूँ, बोलती हुई अप्सरा. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच ये देने के लिए. थैंक यू ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मुझे देने के लिए. प्लस कॉज बहुत प्यारा है. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू बी हियर टुडे.
संजय और सुजाता ये जानना चाहेंगे क्या आपने पहना है और किस तरह से इसको बैग करेंगे.
This is actually this is one of our signature outfits for the collection Apsarasa.
Thank you.
And yeah, and what more do you want to say?
This brings out beauty, grace, and the whole silhouette, and the cut is designed keeping Malishka's body in mind and her frame of mind.
Thank you.
She has to look like an Apsarasa, but for that she has to feel like an Apsarasa.
That's very important.
So this is what we have tried
Thank
to do.
you, Sanjay.
आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे, इतना ग्रेसफुल आउटफिट है.
वेल मैं सबसे पहले तो संजय और सुजाता को थैंक्स कहना चाहूँगी, क्योंकि मैं सच में मुझे अप्सरासा फील हो रहा है जो कलेक्शन का भी नाम है अप्सरासा. एंड आई थिंक एक लड़की के लिए, एक फॉर अ वुमन, आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप जो भी कपड़े पहने उसमें you should feel really beautiful, and I think that is something that Sanjay and Sujata's clothes are doing for me, and I'm sure for Malishka also. She looks beautiful also. So I just love everything. I think जिन्होंने fabrics use किए हैं, जिन्होंने cuts use किए हैं, और of course एक princess और एक अप्सरा की तरह they've dressed me up. So I'm feeling very, very happy.
ये कॉज भी इतना नोबल कॉज है, काफ़ी मतलब सराहनीय है। आप किससे इस तरह से जुड़ गया, कैसे?
आई एम वेरी वेरी ऑनर्ड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल। बहुत मुझे इस बात पर गर्व है कि मैं एक ऐसे कॉज का पार्ट बनी। अगेन थैंक्स टू सुजाता एंड Sanjay. I think it's a beautiful cause, and I think also the credit goes to Access Life, the NGO that is associated with the whole cause. I feel honored, and I feel very very happy that in whatever little way we are a part of this, and we can only hope and pray to God that these children get better, and we are doing a bit.
I just wanted to talk about Access Life. Access Life के बारे में जब संजय और सुजाता ने मुझे बताया, मुझे लगा अंदर से कि मुझे इससे जुड़ना चाहिए, क्योंकि मैंने इसके साथ पहले काम किया है कैंसर अफेक्टेड बच्चों के साथ। इनमें से बहुत सारे लोगों को सुविधाएं नहीं होती हैं, बहुत सारे लोग आउट ऑफ टाउन से आते हैं, दे हैव नो मनी, दे हैव नो रहने की जगह, उनको डॉक्टर या मेडिसिन के लिए जो खर्चा करना पड़ता है, और इसीलिए वो कैंसर से पहले ही हार मान जाते हैं। और अगर एक ऐसा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हो जो उनको ना सिर्फ होप दिलाए पर उनकी डे टू डे सुविधाओं का ख्याल रखे इन अ वेरी स्मॉल वे इवन, आई थिंक इट्स अ फैबुलस कॉज जुड़ने के लिए। आपने देखा वो छोटी बच्ची किस तरह से हमारे साथ स्टेज पर आने के लिए रो रही थी, बट इट इज़ फॉर लॉट्स ऑफ किड्स लाइक दोज जो हमने ये कॉज में हिस्सा लिया। सोनल एंड मी आर थैंकफुल टू एक्सेस लाइफ एंड थैंकफुल टू सुजाता एंड संजय कि उन्होंने हमें ये मौका दिया। थैंक्स वंस ऑल्सो इन द प्रोसेस मेकिंग अस लुक लाइक एक्स्ट्रा। थैंक यू सो मच।
हमेशा, क्योंकि एक मौका है हमको साथ घूमने का, वीकेंड्स पे स्पोर्ट खेलने का, फिटनेस लेवल बढ़ाने का, और साथ साथ बाकी जो एक्टर्स है ऑल ओवर इंडिया पे उनसे मिलने का एक मौका भी है। सो इट्स ऑलवेज